First and exclusive on Times Now is the former Supreme Court Judge Justice V Ramasubramanian, who recently took charge as the chairperson of the National Human Rights Commission, a country's top rights body. Justice Subramanian, congratulations and thanks for speaking to Times Now. So, first and foremost, what will be your priorities? You have seen violation of human rights from close quarters during your tenure as a judge of the highest judiciary, High Court and Supreme Court for 17 years. And so will that hold you in good stead?
See, in terms of priority, you know that there is this global alliance of national human rights institutions, which is called as GANRI. So the accreditation of the National Human Rights Commission of India has been deferred for certain reasons. Therefore, my first priority is to see what could be done from our side so that we regain this accreditation as A grade.
So what, according to you, is the human rights scene in India? What are the challenges faced by the country?
See, the challenges faced in India are very, very unique. As you know, India is a very diverse country. We have a population of more than 1.4 billion, 140 crores, occupying a landmass of about 2.5% of the Earth's landmass. And we have people practicing 8 major religions and much more. We have people belonging to different ethnicities. We have people talking at least 22 major languages and about 700 other languages and dialects. Ours is a country where we are divided by at least 1,640 identified castes and communities. Therefore, when you have people belonging to such different sections, it is extremely difficult to manage the country as a whole. So the challenges to human rights are posed not merely by the state actors, but also by non-state actors. So when non-state actors infringe upon the human rights of individuals, the victims had to approach the state actors. When the state actors react or overact, then they commit violation of the human rights of those persons who are accused. So the act of balancing becomes little difficult in a country like India.
Sir, NHRC has often been called a toothless tiger because its directions are not binding, are basically recommendatory, and there's a limit in power, and also there's lack of autonomy. So do you think there is a need to strengthen NHRC and give more powers? And because what is the point of having a commission whose orders are not followed?
Actually, I'm glad that you asked this question. You are not the first person to call it a toothless tiger. In fact, this expression has been used in a judgment of the Madras High Court. See, what happens is the Act contemplates 3 different types of functions, acts: investigation, inquiry, and recommendations. Insofar as inquiries and investigation is concerned, the Commission has got all powers like that of a civil court for summoning and enforcing the attendance of witnesses, discovery of documents, entering a place for search, and if a person gives a false document, refuses to give a document, false evidence, interrupts the proceedings, all the provisions of the former IPC apply as if they have violated the orders of court. And the members of the Commission are public servants under Section 21 of the IPC. Therefore, at the stage of investigation and inquiry, we have no difficulty in enforcing. It is only at the stage of passing orders under Section 18 where the word used in the Act is recommendation. Therefore, there is a tendency on the part of many people to think that these recommendations are not binding. If they are not binding, the Commission becomes a toothless tiger.